Every child deserves afternoons filled with wonder, afternoons that spark curiosity, nature, confidence, and allow them to explore the world with joy. At our school, we believe learning doesn't end at lunchtime. In fact, some of the most magical moments happen after the morning bell. That's why we are proud to introduce our Grade 1 Afternoon Enrichment Program, a carefully crafted journey designed to give your child afternoons that are meaningful, creative, active, and deeply fulfilling. This is not just an afternoon program, it's a whole child experience. In art and craft, children don't just make things, they discover themselves. They draw self-portraits that show how they see the world. They turn simple handprints into animals and flowers. They weave colorful maps, mold clay into shapes, and create masks, kites, and murals. Every week brings a fresh invitation to imagine, express, and explore. These quiet pockets of creativity help children build confidence, patience, and the joy of making something proudly with their own hands. In cookery and table etiquette, afternoons taste a little sweeter. Children chop fruits for salads, prepare simple sandwiches, whisk milkshakes, design menus, and learn the beauty of good manners, waiting for others, appreciating food, saying thank you, and sharing joyfully. These moments of preparing, testing, and presenting help children develop responsibility, independence, and respect for themselves and others. It's not just cooking, it is connection. Our public speaking sessions are where shy voices find courage and confident voices find purpose. Through show and tell, poems, chants, picture talks, role play, pretend news reporting, puppet shows, and mini presentations, learners begin to trust their ideas. They learn that what they think matters, that their voice is powerful, that speaking in front of others can be fun, safe, and empowering. Where stories feel like adventures, and that's with our story safari. Afternoons become enchanting. Each week has a new theme: animals, friendship, heroes, food, travel, imagination. Children don't just listen to stories, they live them. They craft masks, create maps, make magic ones, build puzzles, play board games, act out scenes, and explore characters through movement and play. Here, reading becomes more than a skill. It becomes a doorway into a world of wonder, where kindness is practiced, not preached. That's our community service activities that gently guide learners to understand empathy, responsibility, and gratitude. They tidy their classroom, share resources, plant flowers, water gardens, create thank you cards for school staff and parents, help friends, care for the environment, and celebrate simple acts of service. These moments shape values that last much longer than any afternoon. Here, children learn that making the world better begins with small acts every day. In our life skills program, children learn that the essential abilities that help them thrive, from hygiene and manners to safety, teamwork, healthy eating, emotions, listening, decision-making, and communication, through role-play, games, puzzles, and hands-on tasks, they discover skills that quietly shape who they are becoming: responsible, kind, thoughtful little humans. Every week, children step outside for outdoor adventures: nature walks, treasure hunts, cloud watching, gardening, obstacle courses, shadow play, open air storytelling, rhythm making, and group games. They breathe in fresh air. They run, explore, collect, build, imagine, and simply be children. Movement and nature are healing, and our afternoons honor that. Where numbers become playful, and that's our number ninjas. Mathematics stops being a worksheet and becomes an exciting game. Children hunt for numbers, solve treasure map sums, play shopping games, decode story problems, roll dice challenges, balance equations, and build towers through maths missions. They learn that numbers are not something to fear, they're something to enjoy. Each term ends with project-based learning, where children work on meaningful projects, eco-friendly homes, hygiene campaigns, cultural showcases, simple machines, community models, space dioramas, and many more. They build, design, present, and most importantly, they believe in themselves. A richer afternoon, a stronger foundation, a happier child. Enroll your child in grade 1 with us and let them join our Afternoon Enrichment Program. And give your child afternoons filled with meaning, magic, and moments that shape who they are. And this aligns with our school motto, always progressing. Progress with us.